We've invested very heavily in digital in recent years, and connectivity runs to the heart of what we're doing as a school. We need it to be fast, we need it to be reliable, and because we're a school, of course, safety and our safeguarding responsibilities really matter. We're an independent co-educational through school in southwest London. We're just on the edge of Richmond Park. We run all the way from 4 through to 18. We've got about 1,100 pupils here on site. Fundamentally, what we want to do is we want to create a really stimulating environment for our young people. We want to provide a rich and challenging academic experience for our young people.
When we were looking for a new provision for our network, it was really important that we considered the campus that we had. It's quite an expansive campus. We're also a bit of a mixed economy between really, really old buildings and some really quite modern technology. We needed a provision that would be able to work across all of that. We'd have a class that would need to use computers in one lesson, and it would almost pull down the network in another part of the school in order for that to happen. And so quite clearly, as we were moving forward and we wanted to improve our use of technology, it just became absolutely necessary for us to look for a more steady, reliable, wide cover provision. We were working with Intech as our main IT providers, and we reached out to them because we knew what we were looking for. We needed something that was safe and secure and fast, and they suggested Ruckus because they felt that it fit all three of those categories. The project has definitely met our expectations. We've had, over the years, a significant investment in our digital provision, and it has allowed us to really significantly transform the way that we use technology in our school. One of the most significant things the partnership with Ruckus has allowed us to do is to bring in one-to-one devices for our pupils. This has completely transformed the way that we teach in our school. We now have pupils who are working from all the way down year 7 all of the way through to year 13 on devices using a hybrid learning model. The Innovation Centre is a pretty recent development for our school. We have a green screen podcasting room, we have fabrication equipment. This is where our pupils will come to work on our award-winning journal, The Wall. This clearly is, again, quite a tech-heavy space and something that we needed a really solid and reliable network provision for. We've been able to set up a really successful esports provision at Ibstock. This is something that traditionally can be seen as quite a challenge, so it's quite a heavy load on a network, but actually we've been able to do this really smoothly, really successfully. Clearly the pupils really enjoy this, but it also brings them so much extra provision from things like leadership skills, collegiate skills, and the fact that school is also just allowed to be fun. We had a really great experience working with Intech Education and Ruckus. The communication has been strong the entire time. We've got exactly what we wanted, and the end result is we have excellent connectivity for our pupils, meaning that they can come to school and they can have a really robust, modern education.